Welcome to CNS Precision Assembly here in Hornsby, Sydney. Our capabilities are at the forefront of printed circuit board manufacturing and precision product assembly. Our Micronic MY300LX exploits the latest technology to manufacture high-quality printed circuit board assemblies.
I'm Narendra, working as a production supervisor and a programming.
The MY300LX combines 3 programmable light sources with 2K resolution to ensure a future-proof solution for the most advanced components.
We can deliver precise on the flying position while picking components and placing them onto the PCB surface at high speed and accuracy.